y'all who know me and things like that, y'all know that I love to use concealer. And the thing about my foundation, it's basically a foundation and concealer in one. And so when you use it, like blend it into your skin, you don't have that cakey feeling. It just feels like lightweight, even though you could build it to full coverage. So I'm very proud of my foundation. I am so excited to share this with you guys. Then taking the shade Butterscotch, of course. I'm just gonna put it at the high points of my face and just really like powder where I don't want it to be too oily, because like the foundation is so creamy and so luxurious. Like I love it, but you know, we don't want to look oily either, so we're just gonna put butterscotch and just put it around the perimeter of my face and things, because we want that highlighted cheekbone, under eye, because we don't want to dry out our under eyes. That causes wrinkles. We don't want that. So we're just gonna, it's like a foundation, but you know me, like from YouTube and things like that, I don't like to feel cakey and like full coverage. Like I like to look glamorous and things like that, but we don't like clogged pores at all. And so basically it's formulated to be lightweight and buildable, but still give you that smooth. So this is in the shade Deep Golden. Perfect drip, like. And just have that luminosity consistency that I love. Then this is in the shade Caramel or Caramel, whatever you want to call it, but it's really a great foundation. And like basically, like I said before, you could use it as concealer, because of course makeup is multi-purposeful. And so when formulating this, I just want y'all to see that coverage, that consistency. This is pigment, and this is in the shade Deep Golden. Look at that drip. Like, again, every pump, the same consistency. Pigment cream foundation. Then this is in the shade Butterscotch. This straight, smooth, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pigment. Again, let's show you this coverage. Look at that coverage. Yes, and that's just one pump. Then this is in the shade Sand. And like, look at that. That's one full pump. And so I just want y'all to realize the quality and pigment of this foundation. It has sheen, luminosity. It's overall beautiful, beautiful coverage.